Asibingelele sikwamukele kulezi indaba esikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC Auckland Park eGoli nazi enohlonze ngalesikhathi. Amaphoyisa aseKapa landela umkhondo wabasolwa lokubulala izelamani ezintathu eKhayelitsha izolo ebusuku. Uhulumeni wakwaZulu Natal uhlola umonakalo owenziwe izikhukhula ezihlasela isifundazwe ngempela sonto kanti kubikwa ukuthi uyedwa umuntu oshone kule nhlekelele yemvelo. Izelamani ezintathu zidutshulwe zabulawa eKhayelitsha izolo ebusuku. Lesi isigameko sesine sokubulawa kwabantu abaningi ngesikhathi esisodwa kulezi nyanga ezimbalwa ezedlule. Kunomkhondo ke olandelwa amaphoyisa ngalesigameko sakamuva.
Lomgwaqo othule elingelethu awukhombisi ukuthi bequbuke udlame kuwo ngesonto ebusuku. Kepha busekhona ubufakazi bokuthi amaphoyisa ebekule ndawo. Omakhelwane abafunanga ukudalula okuningi ngaphandle kokuthi amalungu omndeni asematasa ngokuhlonza izitumbu.
Organized crime detectives are probing the circumstances surrounding an incident where two men and a woman, believed to be from the same family, were shot and killed in Khayeletcha on Sunday evening. Lihlehliselwe West Police were called to Ekuphumleni after 8 p.m, where they found the bodies of the 3 deceased persons with gunshot wounds. Investigations are yet to determine the motive. The ages of the victims are 51, 53 and 57. No arrests have been effected yet.
Ekuqaleni kwalenyanga kwadutshulwa kabulawa abalisa abayisithupha esite C eKhayelitsha. Ngondasa walonyaka kwabulawa abantu abahlanu okubalwa kuba abesilisa abane kanye nowesifazane eNyumonwabisi Park. Sekuboshwe abantu ababili mayelana nesigameko sokubulala sangondasa.
Lihlehliselwe umhla zingama-24 kuNhlangulana icala elibhekene nabathathu abasolwa ngokuthumba, ukudlengula kanye nokubulala uBontle Mashiyane oneminyaka eyisithupha ubudala. Isidumbu sikaMashiyane sasicuyiwe satholakala silahlwe eduze kwekhaya lakubo ngomgqibelo emva kokunyamalala kwakhe amasonto amathathu. Abasolwa abathathu bavele enkantolo yemantshi yasensikazi Kabhokweni eMpumalanga.
Abasolwa abathathu baboshwe kumgqibelo ebusuku. Isidumbu sikaBontle satholakala silahlwe eduze kwakubo. Abezindaba bebengavumelekile ukungena enkantolo. Umshushisi uthi lolu daba lusaphenywa ukuveza ubuso wabasolwa okwamanje akuphephile kubona kanye nasemndenini yabo. Umengameli zokuphepha komphakathi eMpumalanga uzokalisa ukungakholwa ngesizathu sokuchithwa kwesicelo sabezindaba kuba bathamela isicawu secala.
Labantu sebayasekulate ku social media. Angisiboni isizathu esisho ukuthi media bekufanele ivinjelwe ingayi kuyothatha izithombe la. Ngisho no General Mkankwe naye akazange ajabule ngalento le ngoba lo msebenzi olapha ekhotho akusiyo umsebenzi walapha ekhotho wokubamba labantu, umsebenzi walamaphoyisa. Ilamaphoyisa bekangalali for 24 hours afunana nalezigebengu.
Abanye abasolwa babili ukukhona kubo nesangoma bathathiwe kuyophoswa imibuzo.
Uhulumeni wakwaZulu Natal usahlola umonakalo owenziwe imvula enamandla ehlasela esifundazweni kulempela sonto esiphuma kuyona. Kususwe abantu abangamakhulu emakhaya abo emva kwemvula okungokwesibili ihlasela emasontweni ayisithupha. Amabhlorho kanye nenye ingqalasizinda icekeleke phansi ngenxa yesimo sezulu esingesihle.
Sezikhahlamezeke okwesibili ke manje izakhamuzi zakwaZulu Natal. Ngenyanga edlule izikhukhula zadlula nempilo yabantu abangaphezulu kwama400. Kulempela sonto esiphuma kuyona kuphinde kwahlasela ke ezinye izikhukhula esiphoqe ukuba ke kukhishwe izakhamuzi emakhaya. Izindawo ezikhahlamezeke kakhulu isemdloti, eLamesi naseBluff eningizimu yeTheku.
It seems like the process can be quite slow. And so what we're hoping now is with that escalation to the senior levels of the municipality, there'll be a bit more of a faster track to find a solution.
Uhulumeni uthi amathimba ezenhlekelele asahlonza umonakalo.
Sizozama ukulungisa senze iassessment esheshayo sikwazi ukuthi isimo silungiseke indawo ibuyele kwezinye.
Kuphinde kwalimala ke ingqalasizinda yamanzi kanye nogesi.
In the previous disasters in April, we put some remedial measures so that people will start receiving water. So all those have been washed away. So our teams will come back and reinstate some of the work that have been done before to ensure that people do access water.
Kwezinye izindawo izakhamuzi seziqalile ukulungisa umonakalo owenzekile ezindlini zazo. NginguSimphiwe Makhanya wezindaba zeSABC ngiseThekwini.
Kusenjalo izikhukhula zishaye kwezwela nasenyakatho yesifundazwe eKwaZulu Natal. Lezi zikhukhula ihlasele kakhulu ezindaweni iMadlankala, eMkhobosa kanye naseSikhaleni, kanti izakhamuzi zikhoseliswe ehholo lomphakathi. Uvusi Khumalo enomthwebula ithombe uJapan Mathebula bakhulume nabakhahlanyezwa izikhukhula kule ndawo.
Yebo, ukhoseliswa kwabantu namanje kusaqhutshekwa ngoba baningi abantu kahle abakhahlamyezwe izikhukhula kusukela ikhukhula lezi zengenyanga edlule namanje lezi zakamuva zibashiya abantu bazibashiya edengwane njoba lapha esikhaweni nakhona amakhulu ngamakhulu abantu bahlaliswe emahholo yakhona. Ake sikhulume kafushane la nabantu kuyibona abakhoseliswe lapha ehholo kafushane.
Amanzi agcwala endlini ngiseduze komfula ngendlela ehlukumezeke ngakhona. Njengamanje mina ngumuntu ofaka insimbi ngemuva angikhoni kwazi kwenza lutho amanzi agcwele indlu nengubo zimanzi ngendlela ehlukumezeka ngakhona. Sicela abantu usizo ukuthi ngesizakale kule ndawo esihlala kuyona ngendlela enamanzi ngoba amanzi asuka emfuleni agcwale endlini. Njengoba nizwele nje abantu abaningi badinga usizo. Ake sikhulumeke la noSokhaya umnumzana uThamsanqa Ntuli umphemba okuyena ke imeya yalapha eKhayelitsha district municipality. Naba abantu yabezwa basi badinga usizo njengamanje siyabona ukuthi kukhona enikuhlinzekayo. Ukhulume kabanzi kafushane noma nje kafushane ngosizwe nihlinzekana nanokuthi labantu babela bazohlala isikhathi esingakanani la izindlu zethu.
Abantu balapha emhlathuze nje basesifikile sibalethele oblanket kanye nanokudla nanezibhontshi zokulala nanezinto zokusebenza emakhaya. Inkinga yakhona ukuthi imfula njengoba isondele izindlu azikho esimeni. Athi sixoxa nomeya walapha ke emhlathuze ukuthi kube khona uhlelo lokuthi kuhlonzwe nanendawo bese kubonakala ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani kube khona abangakwazi bakwazi ukusa bakhelwe ikakhulukazi laba esibothi bona baxakeke kakhulu. Yebo
mnumzana umphemba ke lo okuyena ke Sokhaya wesifunda eKhayelitsha district municipality.
Uhulumeni uxwayise abantu abalinyalelwa izindlu ngesikhathi kunezikhukhula ngombasa ezingcenyeni zezo ukuba bangakhi kabusha lezindlu zabo kulezo ndawo. Lokhu kushiwo uNgqongqoshe wezokubusa ngokubambisana nezindaba zomdabu uDokotela uNkosazana Dlamini Zuma ubethula inkulumo ngaphambi kwekomiti lasePhalamende lesikhashana elisungulelwe ukubhekana nomonakalo owenziwe yilezi zikhukhula.
Izikhukhula zakuTshanje KwaZulu Natal nakweminye imimandla yeMpuma Koloni zadala umonakalo omkhulu. Zasuba imiphefumlo yamakhulukhulu abantu. Ngoku abasemagunyeni bathi lixesha lokwakha ngokutsha nokulungisa. Bathi bakhangela omnye umhlaba ukuhlalisa iintsapho ezachaphazelekayo. Amawaka-waka amakhaya atshabalala zezi zantyalantyala kumaphondo amane elilizwe.
We are working with the Department of Public Works. We're looking at the pieces of land that are suitable for residential areas so that those pieces of land would be the ones that are used to build so that the people don't go back to those places.
Kusenjalo umonakalo odalekileyo uqikelelwa kwiibhiliyoni ezingama-25 erandi okwangoku. Ibhiliyoni enye yerandi ekovimba iza kuncedisa ngoncedo olungxamisekileyo.
The issue of capacity is no longer a debate, even in the executive, that this magnitude of a disaster has exposed our capacity gaps. So a lot of interventions, therefore, we make will actually signal that.
Ikomiti yethutyana yePalamente emalunga nentlekele noncedo iza kutyelela iindawo ezichaphazelekileyo kule mpelaveki izayo. Tingilulama Matya wendaba ze-SABC ePalamente eKapa.
Umengameli uCyril Ramaphosa uzoba nomhlangano noshansela waseGermany uOlaf Scholz uma esevakashela endlini zombuso ngolwesibili. Lokhu kuzobe kuuhambo lokuqala lukaScholz lokuvakashela kulelizwe kusukela ngena kulesikhundla nguzibandlela. Kulomhlangano kulindeleke ukuba babhunge ngezithinto ukusebenzisana phakathi kwalamazwe omabili.
uScholz uzoluphothula kulelizwe uhambo lwakhe lwase-Afrika oluqale eSenegal naseNiger. iGermany ingelinye lamazwe ahamba phambili kwezokuhwebelana ngezokuvakasha. Zingaphezu kwamakhulu ayisithupha izinkampani zaseGermany ezikulelizwe. Ingaphezu ka266 billion amarandi imali engena kulelizwe ngenxa yezivumelwano zokuhwebelana neGermany. Umengameli uthi ufuna ukuthi lo mhlangano wabo usimamise amaxhama ezokuhwebelana.
Our President and the Chancellor will exchange views on a number of issues of bilateral and international concern, including ways to enhance cooperation in areas such as energy and climate change, trade and investment, as well as responses to COVID-19 and vaccine demand.
Abantu abaningi baseGermany abasebenza kulelizwe bawubheke ngabomvu lo mhlangano. Abanye ke bathi bafuna bebhunge ngezinto ezingaletha uguquko kwezamandla kuleli njengoba kulokhu kuqhubeka ukucisha konga ugesi.
Challenges are, for example, load shedding for a school. We are quite a modern school, so we have, for example, digital boards and projectors and a lot of computers. And this is a challenge, especially when it comes to stage 3, stage 4. We are really missing some lessons.
Ezinye izinselele ababhekana nazo ukuthola izimvume zezincwadi ezibagunyaza ukuzosebenzela kulelizwe.
For us, it's hard to get visa and to get contracts renewed, and it's very important for us that the politicians are setting the frame that we can work efficiently together.
Bobabili laba baholi bazoba ingxenye yenkampani yakulelizwe esebenza neGermany eyenza ucwaningo ngezobuchwepheshe ukuze kutholakale izindlela zokukhiqiza imikhiqizo yowoyela eyanele.
Siyakwemukela uma ubusanda kungena udabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi amaphoyisa aseKapa landela umkhondo wabasolwa kwelokubulala izelamani ezintathu eKhayelitsha izolo ebusuku. Umkhandlu udolobha iGoli awukwazi ukusala ngaphandle kubeni umhlaba uthola izindlela zokuphehla ugesi enganukubezi imvelo. Lokhu kushiwo imeya yaseGoli engqungqutheleni yezamandla i-Energy Izindaba eqale eSentin Convention Center namhlanje.
iCity Power idinga imali ebalelwa ku26 billion amarandi ukuxazulula inkinga yenqalasizinda esindala kanye nokuqhamuka nendlela ezintsha zokuphehla ugesi. Okwamanje lenkampani ithola amandla ogesi angamaphesenti angama-90 ku-Eskom. Kepha manje ibheka ukwehlisa lesibalo sibe amaphesenti angama-30 ngokubambisana nenkampani ezizimele eyiphehla ugesi.
We will be meeting some of our infrastructure needs through public-private partnerships, and this Energy Izindaba will also mobilize a lot of private partners who can work with the city, particularly in the energy space. PPPs we're doing not only in energy, also in waste to energy, also in water, infrastructure, and various other areas where there is need in the city.
Njengoba kusazokwenyuka intengo yogesi, leli dolobha lithemba ukuthi lingakwazi ukuthola indlela zokuphehla ugesi eingabizi kakhulu neinganukubezi imvelo.
We are also making a call to the private sector to also partner with us in terms of this energy transition. This partnership will be for energy security, so that we deal with the capacity constraints that City Power is faced with, so that we deal with the impact of load shedding together. This partnership will be for energy sustainability, so that we reduce the impacts on the environment.
Idolobha lisebenzisana namaphoyisa kanye namahawks ukuzama ukuqeda ukwebiwa kweintambo zogesi.
We need all the support that we need to go out, and together we must make sure that the criminals fear us and not the other way around. And again, the monies that we are spending on protecting our infrastructure we can use instead to invest into a better service for our residents.
Amabhizinisi yaseGoli alahlekelwa imali ebalelwa kumabhiliyoni angama-80 kuya kumabhiliyoni ali-100 amarandi ngenxa yesigaba sesibili sokucisha konga ugesi.
Izakhamuzi zasesigodini indwe ngasecacadu e-Eastern Cape zinethemba lokuthi uhlelo lokumba amalahle endaweni luzoyiguqula impilo yazo.
Lo ngumgodi ovelisa ilahle ungqongwe izidolophu ezintathu iDordrecht, indwe kunye necala. Abahlala bangumsenzi wokuzimilela kulommandla baqala ngokuzimbela ilahle belithengisa koosomashishini basekuhlaleni ngemarike yobumnyama. Ngoku bafuna abantu basekuhlaleni bangashiywa ngaphandle zinkampani zosebenzisa eli lahle. Bekwafuna kujongwe ukhuseleko lemfuyo yabo.
Ngoku ke kwa ela lahle loqala zange silazi noba kumke tons ezingakanani na imali na eyayifanele ukufunyanwa sithi thina abantu be-community as i-mining charter isitsho. Urhulumente makakemisa inyawo kule nto le mine, not say uba asifuni imine, siyayifuna kodwa mayize ngeline ye-mining charter.
Oosomashishini bathi banethemba lokuba urhulumente uzawukhawulezisa ukuba ukombiwa kwelahle kube impumelelo kulo mmandla.
Kudawuni inyawo ezincinci njengalena njengendwe kunyanzelekile sibe nayo indlela ocreate imisebenzi ebantwini. Le mine yiyona nto eshekileyo yokugqibela. Iikhampani ezinkulu azizi kwezi towns zincinci. Sinayo le mine up, kunyanzeleke sibe nendlela ugovernment okanye asincedise sibe nendlela oyivula le mine.
Urhulumente uthi lo mmandla uzokwazi ngoku ukuba uvelise ilahle, udala amathuba emisebenzi, kuphuhle abantu nephondo labo.
Sicinga ukuba ukuvuselelwa nokuqala kwala mine kwawutshintsha kakhulu isimo sophuhliso sabantu baphaya.
Iindibano zokuthethathethana noluntu abantu abazoxhamla ngayo nokucaciselwa ngezinto abangaziqondiyo ziyaqhuba sithetha nje kulo mmandla. Ndinkululeko Nyembezi weendaba ze-SABC Endwe.
Namuhla lelizwe liqeda iminyaka engama-20 lasingatha ingqungquthela yezokucwasa ngokobuhlanga kanye nenzondo ebhekiswe kwabokufika.
Le ngqungquthela i-World Conference Against Racism yayiseThekwini ngo-2001. Owayengumengameli uThabo Mbeki owayesingethe wasebenza kanzima ukuyihlenga njengoba yayisengozini yokungabibikho. Amazwe iMelika neIsrael ahoxa kube ningxenye yayo ngoba ephikisana nomqulo owawulinganisa ukuvikelwa kobuJuda nokucwasa. Emva kweminyaka engama-20 namanje zisekhona izigameko zokucwasa.
The incident in Stellenbosch is one too many in recent months. Like I've said, it is akin to defecting, urinating on the Constitution itself, because it is done on the year in which we are celebrating the 25th year of the Constitution.
Encwadini yamasontonke umengameli Cyril Ramaphosa uyithintile indaba yezigameko sasenyuvesi yaseStellenbosch lapho umfundo omhlophe washo bingela khona impahla yokufunda yomfundo mpisholo. Kube nesicelo kubaholi base-Afrika ukuthi babhekana nokufuduka kwabantu kulelizwekazi.
The African continent must find a common vision, common approach to immigration, and we must be able to respond in a manner that also help receiving nations like South Africa in dealing with this challenge. But it does not help when other countries resort to job preservations for their nationals, because this then put unnecessary pressure to the government of South Africa.
Umengameli Ramaphosa uthi kufanele kubhekwane ngqo nokucwasa futhi kungabekezeleli ukuziphatha kwabamhlophe njengabantu abakhulu kunabo bonke abantu.